Alright guys, Homestead Know-How Life is good. So we're in the chicken pen again. Of course we got our ducks in the chicken tractor. There's some of our hens. There's the DIY pallet out of chicken, or DIY chicken coop out of pallets. There's a rabbit hutch turned chicken tractor. And we're gonna come in here and we're gonna take the tractor with the tiller and we're gonna till up a small spot for the hens to mess around in for a dust bath. Yes, they like dust baths. It helps them clean themselves. That's how they bathe. So, I think what we'll do, we'll find us a little spot. Maybe put it, I don't know, along one of the edges, or I think the best place to put it. That way it ain't affecting me while I'm mowing. Because you know how it's annoying to have to try to mow and deal with obstacles, which I've got plenty of them in here. I'll tell you what, let's put it over here. I got this tarp right over here in this corner. They seem to like going over there, so you know what? We'll turn in, back up to it. Look, they've already been using it as a dust bath anyway, so let's just help them out here. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Put this Kubota in reverse. We're gonna back up. Lower our tiller down some. And find my handle, get my keys out of the way. Tell you what, why don't let me see if I can do it at an angle, see what that looks like. I'm trying to think of the best way to do it. Alright, let's see here. This was not pre-planned. I just decided to do it after I got done tilling up the garden back in the back. I re-tilled it. It had already been tilled. About like that. Let's try that. Alright, I'm going to put it first, put it low, get our tiller ready, line it up, drop the tiller down. Actually, I ain't even going to put it first, I'm just going to let it. Oh, they're going to love that. They are going to love that. Oh yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna try to, I'm gonna readjust. Pull this up a little bit. I'm gonna readjust. Keep it sideways just a little bit more. Let me get it lowered down here a little bit. Alright, make sure we can, there we go, yep, we can go up, down. Alright, put it neutral, dial it up, let it eat. Alright, now I'm going to put it in first, I'm going to come out just a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to put it neutral. Alright, now I'm going to go in reverse. I'm going to raise it up just a little bit. Alright, put it in neutral. Put it first. Idle it down, and we're going to see what we got. And I actually might turn. Tell you what, I'm going to back up and get my wheel fixed. I'm going to back up. About like that. I'm going to drop that baby down, like so, put it neutral, rev it up. guys, this was an old garden spot. And I'll tell you, that dirt, I'm gonna get off and show you this dirt right here. Because we let this rest for a couple years now. Let me show you what this dirt looks like. Look at this dirt. Right here, next year, this is garden. All right, we're gonna run the chickens and stuff in here a little bit longer this year. And then this will be garden. This was a garden in the past. Nice, dark, rich soil. It's good to let your stuff rest for a little bit unless you're adding a bunch of nutrients to it. But you can just rotate your garden spots, guys, if you have the means. And it'll let your soil rest. Let it get nutrients built back up. You can add stuff to it over time. You can still run a tiller through it if you want. You know, run a tiller through it. Let it set over the winter. Run a tiller through it. Let it set over the summer, you know. Let it get exposed. Let it get some sun. Some different stuff. Alright, we're gonna kick this in my boots. Now the chickens, they'll come over here and they'll start scratching around in this. Oh man, I could just do a compost pile right here. How about that, guys? Huh? We could take some cedar or some of those pine shavings from the brooders. Don't be afraid to get your hands in it. Look, it's okay. It's okay, honeys. You can put your hands in it. Dirt ain't gonna hurt you. Look at that. Look, I got my hands all in it. Got my hands all in it. All right. Now that gives them, you talk about a place for a dust bath. Look at that. Oh, dirt under my fingernails. No biggie. It's all right. I'll either wash it off or I'll end up eating it later. All right. All right, guys. So there it is. Quick and easy way to make a dust bath if you got a tiller. You gotta go buy nothing. Heck, even if you don't have a tiller, dig you a couple small holes and move the dirt around, chop it up. But this does a really good job. All right, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We hope you all have a blessed day.